Thanos picked up Tony's mechanical head and discovered it was empty inside. It turns out Tony had never actually been inside the armor. He had been working at the Avengers Tower on Earth the whole time. Thanos had already used all 5 Infinity Stones, but Tony had managed to gather all their data. Tony's plan was to build an anti-stone robot, but before he could even begin, Thanos teleported him into space and used the stones to control the other Avengers, preventing them from interfering. Thanos was determined to kill Tony, convinced that Tony had been toying with him. Tony quickly activated the weapon system. Though the system had its flaws, it was still powerful enough to fight Thanos. Thanos unleashed the full force of all 5 Infinity Stones, launching his most devastating attack, but the weapon system easily neutralized it. Thanos tried again, but once again his attack failed. He watched helplessly as the weapon system removed his Infinity Gauntlet. Without the gauntlet, Thanos was no match for the Avengers and was quickly overpowered. Tony tried to reclaim the gauntlet, but the weapon system refused. It turned out the system had a flaw. Ultron had taken advantage and hacked into it. Once Ultron transformed, he struck down the Avengers with one blow. Because the weapon system's body was synced with the data of the Infinity Stones, Ultron successfully absorbed all 5 stones' power and flew off into space. The Guardians of the Galaxy arrived on Earth and took Thanos away. The Thanos crisis was over, but a far greater threat awaited the Avengers. Ultron had become more powerful than Thanos ever was.